Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best leather sofas that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Homelegance Laertes Reclining Leather Sofa. Our overall pick and best top-grain leather sofa comes from Homelegance. We've got multiple models from this powerhouse brand for you today, but what makes it so good? Power recliners give you the ability to relax when it's movie time at the push of a button, so you're completely kicked back. The top-grain leather is soft and supple. There's a gray leather fabric to add a bit of durability and a contrasting cover in a darker gray. The overall effect is a subtle yet striking aesthetic. Measuring up at 109.5 by 36 3/4 by 39.5 inches, this is a sizable sofa, so make sure you've got the room to accommodate. You'll also need some minor assembly, but this is straightforward. You can also choose from a number of other configurations to personalize your seating to your living space. Homelegance has been in business for over 30 years, and you'll get a classic, design-driven leather sofa from a brand you can trust. Perhaps the best thing, it's also remarkably reasonably priced for such a substantial piece of furniture. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Homelegance Power Reclining Sectional Sofa. It's no accident we've got several great sofas from Homelegance, and if you're looking for a couch that doubles up as a makeshift bed, this model is your best bet. As before, this is made from gel leather, so it's not the real thing. That doesn't detract from either the aesthetics or the performance, though. The faux leather is composed of 90% polyester along with 10% polyurethane. Both ends of the sofa recline, as does one of the armless chairs. A much appreciated storage console onboard lets you keep everything you need for movie night close at hands. You'll also get a pair of USB charging ports so you can give your phone a burst of juice without needing to get up. Tool-free assembly completes another winning package from an industry heavyweight. At number 8, we have the Stone & Beam Bradbury Chesterfield Sofa. Another superb sofa from Stone & Beam. Up next in either black, brown or cognac. Choose from a 79-inch or 93-incher depending on the size of your living space. If you want more seating, there's a matching leather ottoman and chair to widen your scope. 100% genuine leather is draped over a long-lasting solid wood frame. This sofa doesn't just look the part, it's built to stay the distance, too. The elevated back and high arms of this classic Chesterfield come together to give you a perfect combination of comfort and support. You can return the sofa no questions asked during the first month of purchase. From that point forth, you'll benefit from a dependable 3-year limited warranty. This gives you complete peace of mind while showing how the manufacturer stands behind their product. At number 7, we have the Ashley Furniture Signature Design Couch. Not everyone wants a genuine leather couch, so we've got the best faux leather alternative for you in the form of this striking and sleek couch from Ashley Furniture Design. As well as the sofa, you can also opt to invest in a love seat, a queen sofa ideal for sleeping, and a rocker recliner combo to complete a superb set. Along with the couch, you'll get a couple of elegant cushions thrown in as a finishing touch. This company really has your interests at heart, and they're not just out for a quick buck. This is further evidenced with build quality robust enough to return many years of faithful service as long as you look after it. Cleaning the couch is a cinch, and you should just wipe it down with a soft and dry cloth. At number 6, we have the Crafters & Weavers Vintage Leather Chesterfield Sofa. Fashioned from impressive top-grain Italian leather, this is another contemporary-styled Chesterfield ideal for both formal living rooms and a more relaxed setting. The aesthetic is remarkably versatile and chameleon-like. One of the key selling points of this couch is that it comes completely assembled and ready to roll. Whether you live alone or you're simply not practically inclined, this is a real incentive. Despite design coming uppermost, you won't be stiffed in terms of comfort. The couch is fairly upright, so offers all the support you need as well. The couch measures up at 95 by 38 by 27 inches, so you'll have ample room to seat the whole family without needing an excessive space to accommodate the sofa. For a cost-effective and classy addition to your living room, this sofa makes a wise buy. At number 5, we have the Ashley Furniture Signature Design Bladen Sofa. Ashley Furniture Design specializes in faux leather that looks just like the real thing without quite so much hassle on the care front. Design-wise, this is stripped-down simplicity at its best. The low-slung cushions are stuffed with foam, and the polyester-polyurethane mix covering them gives you durability without compromising appearance or lifespan. The exposed feet are a nice touch. This couch makes a neat fit with practically any kind of design scheme, giving you complete freedom from a brand you can trust. At 90 by 36 by 38 inches, you'll have ample space for entertaining or chilling with the family. The armrests are beautifully padded and the cushions are full enough to completely support your back while extending a huge degree of comfort. Pre-assembled upon arrival, all you need to be sure of is having a door at least 32 inches wide so it can come through ready to relax in. At number 4, we have the Stone and Beam Fischer Sleeper Sofa. Next in line, we've got another sleeper sofa, again from Stone and Beam. This budget-friendly brand manages to straddle the tightrope of producing affordable leather furniture without charging the earth, and the Fischer continues that fine tradition. You can choose from a staggering array of palettes, so there's no excuse for not getting something to fit precisely with your existing decor and furniture. If the full-sized sleeper seems a little large at 72 by 35 by 34 inches, opt for the queen-sized variant instead. There's also a sleeper chair so you can cater for all the family in style. As with all Stone and Beam furniture, you'll benefit from a 30-day return period and a rock-solid 3-year limited warranty. Since the furniture is made to order, you can get a touch of individuality without needing to pay bespoke prices. At number 3, we have the Homelegance Croydon two-tone sofa. The penultimate Homelegance couch on our list, the Croydon is a two-tone beauty that's sure to make a real conversation piece. Looking like something from a Game of Thrones set, the elaborate design works best with more chintzy and eclectic decor. That said, a real statement piece like this could also work with a minimalist design scheme by injecting an element of complete surprise. The wooden frame is sturdy enough to bear a whopping 900 pounds, so you've got more than enough support for the whole family on movie night. The PU leather is decorated with fabric for contrast, and the molding adds another layer of texture. Due to the extreme weight, this couch ships in 2 boxes and you will need to make provision for a little assembly. At number 2, we have the Poly & Bark Sectional Sofa. Poly & Bark is an Illinois-based company famous for their handcrafted furniture and home decor. If you're looking for a sofa with minimal contemporary flair, the Poly & Bark Sectional Sofa will add modern style to any room. Made with genuine full-grain leather in multiple colorways, this sofa will integrate perfectly in any room. For comfort, the couch has duck feathers incorporated into the high-density foam and polyester cushions. This is quite a long sofa and designed for a slightly bigger room. Its L shape can use to divide a room and create a corner into a cozy haven. Elegant and comfortable, the Poly & Bark Sectional Sofa will comfortably fit at least 3 people. Or, if you're lounging with a movie, it should easily fit 2 of you. Its style is industrial yet sophisticated. Your visitors will be welcomed in comfort and style. Style it up with some cozy cushions in muted shade. If you're more adventurous, team it up with some bright bohemian textiles. The frame is crafted from kiln-dried solid wood, which complements the supple leather. Even when the leather wears, it will add timeless rustic elegance to your living room. As it's leather, it's super simple to clean. Just wipe down with a damp cloth. This sofa is made from high-quality materials by highly skilled craftsmen. It's so comfy, you can relax, recline, or even sleep on it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Serta Convertible Sofa with storage. If you're looking for a traditional style sofa that can transform into a comfortable bed, this ticks both of those boxes. This sofa can easily convert into a sofa in a matter of seconds, and you can choose from 3 positions. Have it upright or recline the back slightly so you can lounge. If you lay it completely flat, you get a comfy and serviceable makeshift bed. Upholstered with bonded leather, you get the look and feel of real leather at a very competitive price. It's so easy to clean and maintain. Just give it a wipe with a damp cloth in the event of any spillages. For comfort, the sofa is sprung with coils and also filled with memory foam so it will stay comfortable and keep its shape. This sofa has a rounded cozy design, ideal for snuggling up in front of the TV by the fire. It's pretty easy to put together and is quite sturdy once assembled. Whether you're after a comfy sofa for the living room, or you're turning another room into a living space, guest room, this sofa will certainly add a traditional touch. For its price you're getting a comfortable, versatile 3-in-1 sofa that the family can lounge on in comfort and accommodate any guests who stay over. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.